Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you Ender 3 Orca Slicer Settings. So basically right after finishing up your 3D model, you want to head over to the printer settings, and from here click on it. A drop down menu will show up and click create printer. Inside this page, simply select the Creality printer vendor, and in here of course you want to look for the Ender 3 on this drop-down menu once more. So in my case, I'm just going to click the Creality Ender 3, and of course you want to get everything right from the nozzle diameter. So the default for the Ender 3 is going to be 0.4 mm. The printable space is 235, and you can put the same one for X and Y. The origin is going to be 0, 0, and lastly, the max print height is going to be 250. Click on the OK button, and this will then create our new printer preset. Of course, once again, you can just choose the same thing, which is the Creality vendor, and from here, the Ender printer. So let's select this one. From here, you then want to select your filament preset. In my case, I'm going to select generic PLA, process template, and then click on the create button. This will now create our settings for the Ender 3 on Orca Slicer. Just wait for the process to finish. So to confirm that you have selected your printer, just click on the cancel button, and from here, of course, you then have to select the Creality Ender 3 0.4 nozzle. Now, if you want to edit more setting, you can do so by clicking on this specific button, which is to edit preset, and in here we have more settings to edit, but generally you want to follow the settings that I've mentioned previously, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.